If you are still hosting n8n using Docker and run into the following error, problem running Webhook, bad request, please check your parameters. So that error is basically because when you try to access a external service like Telegram, it gets this error. That error is basically because you're using your local domain, local host domain, and that domain cannot communicate with the Telegram service. So we need to change that webhook URL variable. So to do that, we're going to go to Ngrok right here. We install Ngrok in our machine. You can do it first. Download it with this command in your command prompt. Otherwise, you can just download it and unzip it in your machine, whatever works for you. Next, we go back to Docker. We go to the containers. We see is the container. We're going to delete our previous container. Delete it. That's it. Well, then we go under images. Click the n8n image. We click run. Click n8n new n8n. For host port, you can put whatever you want. In this case, I'm going to put 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, for the volumes, the host path, use the previous folder where you store your previous data, your credentials and stuff. For the container path, put the default home dash node forward slash dot n8n. Now, for the environment variables, we do n8n underscore community underscore package underscore allow. We're going to set that to true. That's basically to allow community package to import community package in our workflows. Now, the next variable is going to be n8n editor base URL. n8n editor base URL. Sorry, base underscore. Don't forget the underscores right here. For that, we're going to go back to Ngrok, and we need to claim your domain. Okay, it should be claim domain for you. I have done already. Once you claim your domain, we copy it and put https / sorry, dots to dot right here. We paste our Ngrok domain. So now this is the important one, the webhook URL. Webhook URL. That's the one that is going to be, that's the one that gets in trouble basically. It could be https / we paste our Ngrok domain. And the next one is going to be n8n default binary data mode. Binary data mode. That's going to be set to file system. Now click run. It's with a few minutes right here. Now it's ready. But before you go to this link, you first go to the command prompt. We need to add the out token to the Ngrok YML file. So we copy this right here and paste it in the command prompt. Now to deploy our Ngrok domain, we copy this right here, But don't forget to change this 80 right here for the port you selected when creating the container. In this case is going to be 578. Remember, don't forget this one. So click run, and it's deploying the ngrok domain to the live web. We copy this, we paste it. As you can see, let's go back to the workflow. And as we can see, let's click run, and we are not getting the error. Matter of fact, I'm gonna test it. As we can see, now the webhook URL is changed to our ngrok domain, and now you can connect to every service you want. If you like this video, give a like, comment below what video should I do next, and subscribe to the channel for more n8n tutorials.